Nice day today, but temperatures on the rise here the rest of the week. Kind of our temperature trend is on the way up. Certainly bigger numbers as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, looking ahead in comparison to what we're expecting and where we've been, of course, this was very intense heat we saw at the start of the month and setting records and tying them. It doesn't look to be that intense, but still it's a heat wave nonetheless. And so for at least Wednesday and Thursday, we do have first alert weather days, but 85 pretty comfortable and a below average day. Here's a nice shot of the sunrise this morning, cresting the Blue Ridge there from Warren Fault in Augusta County. Made it up to 85 as mentioned. Right now 82 at the airport. We have 86 in D.C. You'll notice numbers in the 70s down across Roanoke and Danville and Martinsville. That's because there's been more showers and some thunderstorms throughout the course of the day. The dew points, which measure the moisture content in the atmosphere, pretty comfortable for mid-July. I mean, we were well in the 70s. You'll notice much higher to our south, and so that's where the focus has been. Now remember, yesterday we had showers coming in from east to west. Well, the front is down across the Carolinas, high pressures to the north, but we're kind of sandwiched in between the really dry air and the more moisture laden air. With that easterly wind, it's bringing in a few tiny showers. Now a lot of this, the farther west that it's gone, it's kind of dissipated, but we still have some showers in progress through portions of Buckingham into Nelson and back into Amherst, and here we are with a few showers between Louisa and Fluvanna out toward the Ferncliff area and Kent Store. Here we are along 15, maybe out toward Wildwood and just north of Palmyra. A lot of that will kind of fade away once the sun goes down. Temperatures tonight, low and mid 60s. Could be some patchy fog. Many of us across central Virginia tomorrow right around 90 degrees or so, upper 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. Now that's a seasonable day, what you'd expect here for mid-July, but then those bigger numbers return for Wednesday and Thursday, and so those are first alert weather days when we couple that with the increase in the humidity and those real field temperatures start to get above 100 degrees. Many of us could have a heat advisory for at least portions of the area for Wednesday and Thursday. So high pressures to the north, front is stalled to our south. This is the same front that brought us showers and thunderstorms over the weekend. And the other big story is the building ridge or heat that's out to the west. And again, bigger numbers out across the northern plain states. Look at that, 95 in Fargo, North Dakota. It'll be even hotter over the next several days. So that ridge will expand east with time. So here we are in the morning. Temperatures will climb out of the low and mid 60s. We'll heat up to around 90 degrees in many spots for your Tuesday afternoon. And then the numbers really start to crank up as we get into Wednesday. First alert weather day here for Wednesday afternoon with numbers anywhere from the mid to upper 90s with those heat indices probably between 100 and 105. Mostly clear here tonight. Some patchy fog, low and mid 60s. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast showing you these numbers on the climb as another heat wave will build as we progress through the next several days. Again, temperatures here nearing or challenging some records Wednesday, maybe Thursday. Right now, general rain chances with showers and storms return for this weekend, and we'll watch that as well with the big heat that'll be in place still.
All right, Eric, thank you.